Hey everyone. So during the holiday seasons for my nieces and nephews, I went ahead and got them all Amazon gift cards. Um, they were all, the paper form. I just didn't like that. So what I did is I went ahead and made these incredible I guess they're called the Impossible gift card box or frustrating gift card box where there's a bunch of screws that you have to open to get it out. Um, but instead of putting that piece of paper in there, I went ahead and designed something on Shape real fast, created an Amazon gift card that's 3D printable. I figure I'll just put up on Creality Cloud for you guys to download and use. Something simple. I don't think there's one out there already. I didn't see one, and I figured I'll share it with you guys. So once the card's loaded, we'll click on the card. We'll come up here to the text tool. We'll put the text number in there. So we'll put, whatever the number is of your gift card. We'll leave it at 9mm. Everything else looks fine. You could change the text style or whatever you want. We're just going to drag it up, kind of center it. Something like that. I mean, not that hard. All you'll have to do is go to the fill tool, pick the white color or whatever color you want it to be. I'm not going to tell you what color to put it. It's up to you. And just come in through here and fill it in. Now, when you fill in the numbers, you're going to want to go sideways and hit all the sides that you can. And you'll just want to zoom in, and make sure you get it all filled in properly. It takes a moment, not a long time. Spin the card, just look, see whatever's missing. And just come through it. Just take your moment. There's a mistake tool, so if you hit the back tool for any mistakes, no big deal. Just take a moment, look it over, make sure you got everything. There you have it. Just go ahead and print it out and you're good to go. Cool little gift idea. Hope you enjoyed it. Thank you, everybody.